Goods movement is one of those subjects that's really complex. We've got all these different players making individual decisions each and every day how every individual truck is going to move.
We're currently doing business today the same way we did it 20 years ago.
It's amazing to me that a given terminal may not know how many trucks are going to arrive during that day.
Our global supply chain has functioned over the years with many, many different silos.
One sector of the supply chain doesn't talk to the other, or the whole supply chain doesn't talk to government.
We're looking in the next 20 years or so a doubling of our volume of cargo. This is an issue that really involves the entire supply chain and all of our partners.
We are seeing a huge increase in container traffic, and that's going to impact traffic terribly. We've recognized that in gateway cities for some time and have been working on solutions.
Intelligent transportation systems are becoming more and more important for solving our congestion problems in our region.
If the public and private sectors work together on the ground up, creating this program together that's actually a near-term solution as opposed to a long-term, several years down the road, it could transform the freight industry.
For years we've talked about how we're never going to be able to build our way out of congestion here in our dense urban areas.
It's important that we take our infrastructure that exists and do what we can to make it better and safer and stronger and more efficient.
We're investing in the Port of Long Beach alone $4.5 billion in the next 10 years.
It's extremely important to maintaining our competitiveness.
Using intelligent transportation systems, particularly now reaching into the freight side, will really be able to leverage the infrastructure that we've built to try and avoid that congestion.
It all boils down to having advanced information. Having a feed of information from truckers to terminals will help the terminals plan for their gate assignments and help plan for getting that container available for pickup.
What we're trying to do with our technology improvements is be able to share the information.
So that as we're making all these individual decisions, it's all off in a shared information platform so we know what everyone's doing to the system.
The technologies that we're going to put in place will allow the marine terminal operators and the drayage community to speak to one another electronically
about the estimated time of arrival of the trucks destined for their terminal. And with advanced information about how many trucks would arrive at your terminal helps you plan for that day.
It's eliminating the empty moves that tear up the infrastructure. It's improving the air quality. It's improving safety. It's reducing congestion. So it's a true win-win and a public-private collaboration that's going to benefit not just the freight industry, but the passengers that are driving on our transportation network as well.
All of the stakeholders will be able to use the technology that we provide, the information that we provide.
Such as weather, accidents, congestion, construction, routing restrictions like overweight vehicles or hazmat, and it can take all of that different information and be available on a computer screen in front of a truck dispatcher. It can pop up and say, you sent this truck driver out this morning on this route, but you need to change it because now there's massive congestions, which greatly improves operational efficiencies.
All those updates that we're going to be able to give the marine terminal is going to allow them to make better decisions about how to service us when we do get there.
The load optimization component, that's designed to provide information about where loads need to be dropped off, where loads need to be picked up, terminal wait times. All of that information combined enables a private sector company to benefit greatly in the form of operational efficiencies, which is saving them money.
When we look at our supply chain, we are trying to maximize that throughput and efficiency.
To make this good movement a little more seamless.
We need to keep things moving. We need to get the goods from here to the Midwest.
Maintain our competitive strengths, move cargo efficiently in a cost-effective way.
And by using technology, I think it will make all of our jobs much easier.
The technology plan offers a great template to bring all of those elements together to create an effective plan to move forward.